Rice Guide is advertised as a personalized self-improvement program, but once you look past the polished marketing, it becomes clear why so many users call it a ripoff. The app hooks people with a free quiz and emotional messaging, then pushes them into a paid subscription that isn't clearly explained. On users on Reddit warning that the whole funnel feels manipulative, and several say they were charged more than expected or struggled to cancel. Even though Rice Guide has thousands of 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, that doesn't tell the full story. Trustpilot doesn't verify the accuracy of reviews, and the pattern huge waves of generic overly positive ratings looks suspicious. Meanwhile, independent review sites show a very different picture. A large chunk of real users give it 1 star, complaining about vague content, recycled advice, and aggressive billing practices. The biggest issue is value for the price they charge. The lessons are extremely basic. So, this is a subscription trap. Avoid this app.